while if you want to equip the departments, and another part, some points are generalized and some are, like if we talk about home economics, food and nutrition, that should be related to, nutrients, foods and all that stuff. Likewise, if we go for the textiles, we all need the things that is being uh, you know adjusted in, like textile, like with the clothes and ironing boards and knitting and machines and all that stuff. I hope you understand about it. And the second and the most important thing is the library. Keep this thing in mind, that library is always the reflection of your institution. So library is the major thing, and a good library is the basis of this of that institution. So it should have all that reading materials that is being related to home economics program, which is being offered, and all the periodicals and every booklets and bulletins, book pamphlets and everything should be there. And the important thing you have to keep in mind while planning the budget for library material is you have to see that how many reading rooms are there, reading space is there, and the number and the location of that reading rooms, that where they should be situated, how many cupboards you need to have, how many students you have. So you have to keep all these things, and especially the comfortable chairs, because you have to set the tables and the lighting and everything, reading space. So you have to keep all these things in your mind while planning and equipping the home economics department.